What's going on, y'all? We're about to do a deer stew, y'all. But if you don't have deer, you can change it out and switch it with maybe a piece of top round. Just cut it up just like I had today. But anyway, let's get it. So we're going to start off by getting 2 tablespoons into a pot. And then we're going to rain on our deer. Go ahead and hit it with that salt and pepper. Gotta season it up, y'all. Gotta season it up. Then gonna get it straight into that pot. Now all we're trying to do here is just brown this deer just off a little bit. Or your beef or whatever you might be using. You can even use pork for this, y'all. Even chicken. All of it will come out tasty. But anyway, once we get that deer meat brown, we're gonna go ahead and get in our veg. Now we're using onion, bell pepper, and celery. We're gonna get that in. Just mix it up a little bit, just get it started. And then we're gonna add in 4 cups of water. Now I have this beef base here. And we're gonna get us a heaping tablespoon of that beef base right into that mixture. Now we just gonna let this simmer until our deer meat gets tender. Once it get tender, we gonna go ahead and add in our broccoli. Now you can add your broccoli in at any time, but you know I like mine to have a little bite to it. Our smoked sausage. One can of diced tomatoes. And some fresh spinach right on top. Gonna give that a good mix and whip that spinach right on down. And as soon as that spinach get to the consistency that you like, you know I don't like mine all soft. We gonna give it a taste to check for seasoning. And I found that mine just needed a little bit more salt, so I went on and rained on it. But now it's time to plate up, y'all. Time to plate up. And oh my goodness, this was such a tasty dish. I had to get a little bit of everything, some of that spinach, piece of that sausage, and some deer. And oh my goodness, it was a party in my mouth, y'all. I loved all them different flavors. That beef brace really came through. That spinach came through. Oh my goodness. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.